You on? Cool. So you've got 3.2 here. Alright, what you've got to do is have a look at this student instruction sheet and your outcomes. You can see that you've got achievement, achievement with merit, achievement with excellence. To get a excellence, what you need to do is critically evaluate a physical activity, okay, or an activity program or experience, and its influence on personal health and well-being. When you evaluate something, alright, what you're doing is looking at positives, negatives, any interesting points, and you come up with the decision. So it's like being in a jury in a courtroom. People will give you positive evidence for someone, negative evidence for someone, and then you make a decision. Alright, and you have to evaluate it critically. Alright? And that's exactly the same as what you need to do here. What the difference between that and achievement with merit is, if you see a merit, it says evaluate a physical activity. Alright, so evaluate a physical activity means there's not as much depth. You're still looking at positives, negatives, and you're still making a decision, but it hasn't got the same robustness as a critical evaluation. Critical evaluation, you're looking at all available positives, all available negatives, and then you're making your decision based on that. And sometimes those positives in one situation might be negative in another, right? And you need to acknowledge that. And then achievement is explain with supporting evidence. So what you're doing is explaining in detail. So you're doing what, how, and why and P you think, and you are explaining with supporting evidence, and we're going to talk about how you deliver that evidence in a second. Okay, stop there.